Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Muhammad Sajid. How are you, students? I hope you'll fine. Today we will start a new lesson. Lesson number 9, Water and its uses. Dear students, as we know that all living things need water to live. Rivers, ponds and sea have water. And now we will learn about sources of water, how water reaches our home, how to store drinking water, how to save water. So let's start our lesson. So dear students, as we know, all living things need water to live and grow. We cannot live without food for some time, but we can live without food for some time, but cannot live without water. Because all of us survive by the water. We use water in many ways. So now we will see in which way we use water. So we use water to wash clothes. We use water to wash clothes. In this picture you can observe we are using water for washing clothes. And for having a bath we use water. In this picture you can see to have a bath, and to wash utensils we use water, to grow plants, to drink, to cook food, to clean the floor, to build houses, to put on fires. These are the uses of water. Now we will see sources of water. From which sources we get water? So which are those sources? Rain, rivers, lakes and wells are the main sources of water. Water from the rivers flows into the sea. We cannot use seawater because it has plenty of salts. Yes, students, for drinking, cooking, we can't use the seawater because the seawater remains salty. Dams are built on rivers to stop water from the flowing into the sea. See, students, in our area also we have dams. So these dams are built on the rivers. For what? For stopping the water from flowing into the sea. And a dam is the store of water which is used for drinking and growing crops. People use the water of dam for growing crops, for growing their plants. We get water in our homes from dams and rivers. From where we get water? From dams and rivers. At some places, water is also drawn from wells. Mostly in villages, we observe that people use drawn the water from wells. So wells are also the source of water. So this is all about the sources of water and uses of water. In next video, inshallah, we will learn about next topic. So it is enough for today, and I hope you will learn all things from textbook. You have to learn all these things, read it again and try to understand. Thank you. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.